Hi guys, welcome back to Drawing Land for Kids. Today we're going to be learning how to draw an ice cream cone. The first thing you're going to do is draw a curved line, an upside down U shape. This is fairly simple. Next, we're going to draw a curved line here. And then we're just going to continue a wavy line all the way across. And then a little curved line right here connecting to the other side. When you're ready, right below, we're going to draw a curved line here. And we're going to come across to the other side and draw a curved line here. And a wavy line continuing across. When you're ready, we're going to draw the letter V. We're going to draw a diagonal line going down and a diagonal line going back up to the other side. I'm going to go inside of my ice cream and add some chocolate chips. You can add any kind of decorations that you would like. Maybe you'd like some sprinkles, some whipped cream, whatever you'd like. And I'm actually going to draw a big cherry on top. So we're going to draw a circle here, draw a curved line, and the line coming out. Let's not forget some ice cream dripping down. So we're just going to draw a teardrop shape here, followed by another teardrop. I'm going to go to the other side and do the same thing. And let's add one here. When you're ready, we're going to add some lines in our ice cream cone. So let's draw a curved line here, curved line here, and we're just going to continue that. And now we're going to go this way. So let's start here. And continue adding curved lines. Just like this. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let's come back with the colored version and see what that looks like. Okay guys, here's the colored in version. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe and share the channel with someone that you know. It really helps the channel grow, and I would really appreciate it. Okay guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.